So this is our new VC4L with lead through teach. There's an enabling device on the back that allows for servo actuation for the movement of the robot. You're able to easily move the robot around, and then as opposed to utilizing teach pendant keys on the teach pendant or on a tablet, you have 3 buttons on this programming puck. The blue button will record your waypoints, the red button will record your weld commands, and the white button will record the program end. So everything that you need to complete a program is right here on the end of the arm. So let me demonstrate. Rough teaching a part. We'll start out here, record a point by using the blue button. We'll move the robot down into location. It does not need to be very close to the weld. It could just be in the vicinity. The robot is going to use touch sense and arc sense to find the location of that weld joint. So now that we're in the location where we want to start our weld, we're going to press the red button. That's going to record all of our start commands. Now we're going to move the robot over to the ending location of the weld, and we're going to press and hold the red button, and that is going to then record all of the weld end commands. We can now move the robot up out of the way, record another waypoint, do our program end, and we've now created a rough taught program. Now I'm going to switch over to playback mode, and I'm going to run this in automatic operation with the weld off. What that's going to do is it's going to come down, touch on the part, and fine-tune those weld positions. You'll see the robot come in and touch the part. It then adjusts the point to be right in the center of the weld joint. It does that at the start of the weld, and it does it at the end of the weld as well. And there you have it. An easily created weld program without having to use a teach pendant or a tablet.